This is our Forex blog for September 18th, 2015, and I would say this is the biggest week we've ever had as far as coming up with just game-changing new technology to find some of the highest probability trades. Some of the new patterns I've put in, I've back-tested and are 100%. I think I've found about 8 to 9 new patterns, and every single one of them worked, which is unheard of. But this is just kind of a quick blog showing how it did. Uh, you can see a small win here, big win, and this is actually using that new technique, new technology I found to identify trends very quickly. And normally in the past I would wait for a big move up, wait to buy a pullback, and a lot of times it would miss. You might make money on this trade, you might lose money on this trade, but when the trend's over, you miss it. Whereas this is just the beginning of the trend, and it hops on board and catches it. And you'll see that more and more over the coming months. Small little win here, and a very nice win here at the bottom. I think that was the last trade of the euro. Here's the dollar Swiss. We'll go back 2 days. Thursday there was no trades in this one. Small win here, or probably a 4-pip loss. Small win, and then the trend reversed and it got on top of this using that new technology we found. This is a strong enough trend to take a risk buying the breakout, and that was just a huge 40 or 50 pip win right there. Here's the dollar CAD, very similar type of trade. It was very strong on the move up, sideways, consolidation, breakout. Unfortunately, we got stopped out right here and missed the last 30 pips. The majority of that move we missed, but it's better than nothing. You can see it got into this trade here and made about 40 pips, 15 or 20, another 15, another 50. Just a huge day on Friday. Here's the euro yen. Small win here, loss. And I'm going to be fixing some of the older patterns just because there's no need to, with the new technology, have some trades that might be 40 or 50% winning. When they do work very well, they have 40 and 50 pip wins. I'm going to try to remove a lot of those over the next few months. Huge move here, and here's the pound. We had a small loss here, got that back, plus a little bit there. Nice win, small win, loss, and a small win. And this, I'm not going to be showing stats in the future, and keep in mind this is at the end of the day when I've added some new patterns, fixed some of the older ones. Friday did very well, 63% winning, and really what I look for is to try to have the wins 18 to 25 pips or higher, and I like the average losses to be about 6 to 8 pips, so this is a little bit bigger than I wanted, but you can see 41 trades on Friday. Previous day, a lot fewer trades, there was only 26, 65% winning, but again, 2 times bigger win than loss. That's what I'm looking to do. This one has to be sorted right. Let's sort this real quick from largest to smallest. And 57% winning, 22 pip average win, very, very tiny average loss. 332 pips here, 56% winning, and again, much smaller losses than wins. And that's the whole point behind our systems. 400, let me see if that was, yeah, that was probably Sunday. 402 pips, 62%, and again, 3 times bigger win than loss. And that's what we're looking to do. I'm not going to be showing these in the future because I'm going to be including a lot of additional information on every trade. So if a particular pattern in the future doesn't work, I'll have all those extra stats there, and it's just too much extra work keeping track of and separating it out into a separate Excel page just to keep these stats. I don't need to keep those stats. I trade this every day myself, and I know that it works, and therefore the only point of doing this is to try to get new customers. We're happy to get new customers, but it's not our main focus. Our main focus is on trading. I just like to show these blogs every week to show that we're still working on the software. I haven't taken a day off in the last 2 years. And you know, as you can see, our methods are improving and getting insanely good, especially at narrow range breakouts. And I combine time frames too. So the daily pattern has a narrow range pattern on it, and then during the next day it has a narrow range pattern intraday. I hop all over those. Those are some of the biggest ones I've found, and that's another new trading method that I've just in the last 2 weeks added to the software. So there's a new version up on the site right now, 5.041. I think over the next few months you're going to be absolutely blown away. And actually, even with the version I released today, you should be blown away because some of these trades find a lot of trades. So there should be a lot more trades showing up, and the highest winning percentage trades I've ever tested. Hopefully in the future they work as well as they did in the last 20 days. That's it for this week. Everyone have a good week trading, and I'll do another blog video next week.